Hello everyone, this is my review of this Coach zip top wallet that I got from my wife. The polished pebble leather exudes sophistication, and the black ox blood color adds a unique touch that complements various outfits. The zip-around closure ensures that all her essentials are secure, and the interior layout is thoughtfully designed. It comfortably holds her cards, cash, and even her phone, making it perfect for days when she wants to travel light. The craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the stitching to the quality of the materials. It's both durable and elegant, striking the perfect balance between form and function. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.